conditions, and those across eastern England are now causing problems. So the Met Office are warning of icy roads. So that's mainly the southeast of England. But basically, we've had high pressure keeping things fine and dry during the day, keeping these weather fronts at bay. But as that slips away, it's allowing the cloud to start to come in. So that's the big change for the next 24 hours. The first bits of rain are already getting towards the Outer Hebrides now. But the problems immediately across parts of southeast England in particular, it'll turn quite icy, and with a widespread frost, a pretty cold night, colder than last night. But for Scotland and Northern Ireland, temperatures will lift later in the night as that cloud comes in. But for England and Wales, even in the big towns and cities, temperatures will be well below freezing. So out in the countryside, it'll be colder still. So yeah, a cold start, but a bright one. Ice to watch out for, certainly, but at least we'll have that hazy sunshine, whilst further north and west already the cloud will have arrived. Could still be a little icy for southern Scotland and northwest England first thing, but for western Scotland, we'll look at the temperatures much milder here with the persistent rain arriving, and it will be persistent throughout the day. Just a cloudier picture really for Northern Ireland. There might be some brightness in southeastern areas here, and we should start the day on a bright note across parts of Wales and the southwest of England. A cold note as well, and we've still got a few showers actually coming in across parts of Carmarthen Bay at the moment, so that could provide one or two icy patches as well. But for most of us, as I say, across England and Wales, a fine start, but a very different day setting up. Much cloudier across Scotland, the wind picking up as well, blowing that rain in across the Highlands, more cloud for Northern Ireland, western parts of England and Wales, and eventually the sunshine will turn hazier further south and east as well. But here we lose the northerly wind we've had today, so it probably won't feel quite so cold. But the wind will be a feature further north, and in fact it'll be a feature throughout the night, Wednesday into Thursday, pushing that milder weather further south. So in comparison, temperatures far higher tomorrow night, a much milder night. But it does mean that it'll be a far cloudier day on Thursday, again with outbreaks of rain pushing in across northern Scotland, later on for Northern Ireland as well, near gale force winds in some areas, and they will push some significant rain southwards for England and Wales on Friday, followed by sunshine and showers. But unfortunately the unsettled theme at this stage looks set to continue into the weekend. But for this evening, watch out for those icy patches.